Hello, my name is Tatiana, and this is my recording for Database Final. So in this task, we needed to use the table from the first exam, right, to apply the feedback and create a database in SQL with the normalized tables. So we're gonna start. We have create database if not exists. The name of the database is house rental, and we're gonna show databases, and also we're gonna use this database house rental, and then we're gonna proceed to create the tables. After the normalization, the 3NF, we have a total of 4 tables. So we have clients, owners, properties, and rentals. In each one of them, we need to specify which one is the primary key, if we have foreign keys, and also what type of attribute we're using, for example, an int, a varchar, and the number of characters in each one. So we can see in the rentals table, for example, we have a primary composite key, which is a client number and property number, which are also foreign keys from the other tables, right? We have a foreign key for client number and for property number in this case. We apply on delete cascade in case we delete some information or change right from the other table. Is going to also apply in this table. So we needed to insert some dummy data for each one of the tables. So we have a total of 17 clients, client number and client name. We also have a total of 12 owners. We have 18 properties. So here we can see property number, property address, and owner number, which is the foreign key. And finally, we have the rental table. So we needed to make 10 queries, right? Each one, they ask specific things in this case. So for example, if we're gonna try to run this one, it says retrieve all clients along with their associated properties. So this one, in this one, you can actually see the whole database, right? So all the properties with the client name and the address. I'm going to show you some other that are a little more complex. For example, if we go to the bottom, we have count methods. So this one says count the total number of properties owned by each owner. So if we run this query, we can see that some of the owners, they have 2 and even 3 properties. So then we can go down, and we also have a count here. Identify owners who own multiple properties. So we have this method. It says bigger than 1, so it only shows the owners that have more than 1 property in this case. One second. So we have another one that here we have summarizing. We also multiply by 12 because we're trying to calculate, in this case, the annual the annual rent payment each client has, right? So we're gonna order this by ascending order. So if we run this query, we can see how much they spend per year in rent. And then we have another query, for example, this one. It calculates the average. So it says list all properties with rent amount greater than the average rent amount across all properties. So the average is about 475. So these are the properties, the most expensive properties in this case. Okay, so it's gonna be all for now. Thank you so much.